Hey guys, Lily and Daniel here. Today I will be reviewing the Epson 2720 EcoTank printer that I converted into a sublimation printer. If you're interested in learning a bit about this printer or would like to see if it's worth purchasing, keep on watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below and I will do my best to assist you. With that being said, let's dive right in. Let's get started with the back of the printer. Because as you can see here, I have two wires. This is a wireless printer, so it only comes with the wall outlet. This is the standard wire it comes with to plug into the wall. I prefer using USB to connect my printer. Daniel had a whole bunch laying around, so I just took one of his. This is just my preference. I feel it's the easiest workflow for me to follow. But as I stated, it is a wireless printer, so you can definitely choose to use that option. I just prefer using the USB, which makes it way easier for me. So here is what the front of the printer looks like. This is the power button. A little bit dusty, I apologize for that. Turns on fairly quickly. And then here we just have your basic interface. Everything is pretty much straightforward. Copy, paper settings, Wi-Fi settings, maintenance, and all of that good stuff. Moving on to the ink tanks. Here we have a great display to show you exactly how much ink you have left. No more guessing if you need more ink or what's going on. To refill the ink, all you have to do is pull this part back. And as you can see, we have an innovative cartridge-free ink tank that uses refillable ink tanks. Super simple, hassle-free, easy to open and close. I didn't add the ink it came with, I added Sublimation Ink. Any sublimation ink of your choice will be fine. I will link the one that I use in the description box below. I love the fact that this printer is simple and easy to use. I will be demonstrating how I print a design with this printer using my Silhouette Studio. Here I will be putting in some sublimation paper. This is the paper I use for my sublimation printer. You can use any kind you'd like. A-Sub is just my preference. I'll leave the link to this paper in the description box below. Here is just a quick snippet of me choosing the correct settings, which is very important. And off to the printer it goes. It does take a minute or two to print, it just depends on the design. So please be patient with sublimation. And the design is done printing. Here it is. As you can see, the green looks pretty dark. When I first started, that worried me. I thought I was doing something wrong. But as you're going to see later in the video, the colors are completely different and more vibrant once pressed on a t-shirt. Here is a quick snippet of me pressing the design on a t-shirt. I will go ahead and make a more in-depth video on how I sublimate my shirts, keychains, mugs, and everything else I sell in the shop. And here is the final result. That green is super bright, super vibrant, sublimated really nice on the shirt. Everything looks beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Have a great day.